Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. John here, and you're on the Sky One Videos channel. Today I'm gonna put this thing on. This is a, do you know what this is? You've probably seen them before, a little bit heavier. Neutral release strap is in these cars, and this is a little cover to kind of block it. So just adds a little bit more time to make things the theft proof on the car. As you know, I've got the twin hooks here, got a few other things going on, so everything I do is just gonna add a little bit of time, and that little bit of time gives me enough time to catch your ass. So yeah, stick around. Let's put this thing in and see how much of a process it is. I'm gonna put a link to this thing in the description. I don't have a link to this thing yet. This is not made into production yet. This is a heavier one than the ones you guys have probably seen, but I will put it in the description as soon as I have a link, as soon as he's got the website up. All right, so yeah, let's get going. All right, so I got the little cover, just came out of there, and that's where the strap is. So I just lift up on this thing, and I have these tools too. So I'm not sure if this one is the same as my other Challenger, so give me a minute. I think I'm just gonna pull up on this, if it's like my other one. Yeah, there's the tabs. I'm gonna have to use two hands. Hang on. Gotta tell you, it's pretty scary pulling up on this thing because it makes this snapping sound, and I don't like the sound of that step. But it does come up, and you can see where the little tabs are. I would have stuck this in there, but I didn't want to mar up the plastic, so I'm basically just pulling straight up on this. All right, I gotta get this plug out here. A little tab on the bottom. All right, good news. I was trying to undo that tab. I couldn't figure it out. Now that I got the thing off, I can see it. But you don't have to remove it. You just undo this screw and then lift this thing, squeeze in on this and pull it up. So that's what I did. This is a Torx number 20. And now I'm at this stuff. And there's this nut here, this one here, and that one there. And this thing is just gonna bolt down right there. So it's a little bit dark down here, but I've taken these consoles off before when I had a stick, but I'll tell you, I don't think you'd want to lose anything down in there. I wish I had this thing magnetized, but so I didn't have an extension. I guess I could have used the other size, but I'm just sticking a screwdriver in this one here. I'm gonna use that. All right, so there's the cover in there. I hope I got enough clearance, but yeah, it's over it. Yeah, let's put the screws in. By the way, I'm using a magnet to put the screw down in there to get it started. And it's just a lot easier that way. I get it started, and then I'll put the wrench on. Got it in there. Now we got to put this thing, line this back up. Put the hex screw back in there. But yeah, it's definitely going to cover it. I should have started the car, got the AC going. But anyway, yeah, so if this looks like this is something that'll work out for you, you know, just look in the description. I'm going to put a link to it. I'm not getting any commission or anything like that, but I'll put a link to it where you can get one. They're not in full production yet, so I don't know. But I got one here, and yeah, I think you might want to get one. I think it works for the Challengers and for the Chargers, probably maybe even for some of the other vehicles as well that's this style. So you know the way car manufacturers are. Anyway, so I did use a T20, and this was a 8mm socket, and I did use a magnet to guide that that nut down in there, that screw back in there. So I did have these, but I didn't really use them. I didn't pry. I lifted this up, and I was able to reach in here and pull up. Just gonna pull up. That's the way I did it on my other Challenger. So yeah, it was pretty easy. All right, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. Take care, guys.